I swear pugs are the jealous type.
It is. Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Wake up. I said wake the fuck up. Sleepy time's over. Let's go.
Yeah! Your boy is just trying to shower, right? And just watch, just watch. What you want? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres? Mande. Mande. Se dice mande, no, huh? I swear. No, I'm not working. Oh, you get. So you getting feisty with me now, huh? Yeah. Calm your tone, boy. Calm your tone.
Yeah, you taste it. What do you think? Something funny about it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure because it's got this kind of taste of like yeah, this is it's definitely dog food.
Take my phone. I got it. Never mind. Don't you do it. Absolutely not. No, you stop talking to me. Excuse me. You stop talking to me like that. You have some respect. That is not okay for a young lady.
Tell her.
You don't speak like that to mommy.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
What's your problem?
Don't talk to Coca like that.
You over here all fluffed up acting like that. You better watch your beat, young lady.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
That is completely not acceptable.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
Sevigio. I forgot he's Australian. Oh, slow down, you kid.
Downstairs. Who are you fluffing at like that?
And where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? There it is.
Морти, это же бак. О, зачем ты? Да как же?
Oh, your breath smell like
graham crackers?
No, it smell like tin cans of bounce that. That's what it smell like.
Bounce that.
My back shaking, my bra too tight, my booty shaking from the left to the right.
Stashy! Stash, where are you? Okay. Hi! Babe, are you awake?
Okay. While we were sleeping, you pushed my leg off of you, and I was wondering if you still love me.
So apparently people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, kitty. And now we're TikTok famous.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
Ball. Ball? Where? Ball where? Where? I don't know. What? I know you want it. I don't know where it is.
I had yet another neighbor tell me that there was a dead horse in my yard, so I'm doing a life check. Hey, Squidward. Squidward. Squidward, are you dead? Are you dead, Mama? No? Okay, well that's good, but I need you to stop sleeping like a literal carcass because the whole neighborhood's freaked out. Thank you.
Ow, ow, show them girl, yeah, boom, boom, bow, bow.